The past simple. Introduction. The past simple is used to talk about finished actions, past events, and states. How do we form the past simple? Form the past simple affirmative by using the subject, verb, and object. Subjects can be pronouns, that is, I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. For example, he played football. Subjects can also be nouns, that is, people, places, or things. For example, Paul baked a cake. Past simple verb forms. The past simple tense has two verb forms, the regular and the irregular. Which verb form should we use? The regular verb plus ed or the irregular verb? It depends on the verb of the sentence. Form past simple regular verbs by using the base verb plus ed. For example, they chatted online. We enjoyed the music. Some verbs take different irregular forms to make the past verbs. He took online classes last week. This lion ate a buffalo yesterday. The regular and irregular verbs are used in the same form with all the subject pronouns. Like this. How to form the negative. Form the past simple negative by using the subject, didn't, the base verb, and the object. I didn't play tennis. You didn't play tennis. He, she, it didn't play tennis. We didn't play tennis. They didn't play tennis. Form the past simple questions by using did plus the subject, the base verb, and object. Did I play tennis? Did you play tennis? Did he, she, it play tennis? Did we play tennis? Did they play tennis? Past time expressions. Use past time expressions to say the exact time something happened in the past. She won the race last week. They moved in yesterday. She rode her bike 2 days ago. Did you understand the past simple? I hope you did. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!